Let's learn how to make arrows in Illustrator in this super simple tutorial. With this technique, you can apply arrowheads to any stroked path. So that path could be a straight path. That path could also be a curved path. Or that path could be freeform. So say, for example, if I use the pencil tool, create a freeform path. So select your path, make sure the fill is off and the stroke is on, and come to your stroke panel. If you can't find it, go to Window, Stroke, and let's just Command or Control plus to zoom in a touch here. And in your stroke panel, come down to Arrowhead. So you can select an arrowhead for the head of the line and also the tail of the line. So I've got lots of options here to choose from. So select arrow 7. You can see that adds an arrow. Now if I bring the weight up of the line, that increases the size of the arrowhead, which I can then control using the scale, either by using the arrow keys to go up and down, or by manually putting in an amount. So let's just say 30%, and we get a smaller arrowhead. We can switch this to the tail or the front using this button here, and also we can add a tail to this arrow. So for example, let's say arrow 19, turn this down to 30% so that it's in line, and again we can switch these back and forth. You can also decide whether the point of the arrow starts at the anchor point or whether the back of the arrow starts at the anchor point. So you can switch that as you like. So let's come down to my curved line here. Again, I could do the same thing. Select arrow 3. Let's bring up this stroke weight and let's bring down the scale of this arrow here and let's start it in front of the anchor point. So I can play around with these different arrowhead options and adjust the scale and starting point using all these options. If I want to add an arrow into the middle of the path, that's straightforward. Simply select the path, come to your scissors tool and just check where you want to break the line. So let's click here. And now I've added an arrow on the anchor point of the breakpoint. And again, I can make adjustments as such using the options in the stroke panel. And so long as I keep these paths as stroke lines, they will remain fully adjustable in the stroke panel. But if I select and expand these to objects, I won't then be able to change the size, the shape, etc. of the arrowheads. And there you have it. Simple way to make arrows in Illustrator. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Keep on designing. And I will see you for the next tutorial.